Hello friends, once again I welcome you to our channel SLR the Universal Hub, which is hub to the different kind of education. So I'm hoping that you and your family are in good health. I'm wishing that your family and you remain in good health throughout the year. So without further delay in this video, let's start with the main topic on which we are going to talk in this video. So as you might have guessed from the thumbnail from this video, that today in this video we will talk about how you can notify your user that his battery percentage got full, got like uh, below some certain point, like if his battery percentage drop below 30%. Because when user visit your website or interact with your website, he might not have idea what might be the charging point at that particular time, or so if he is performing any critical task on your website. Because when battery got at a certain level below 8 or 6, laptop all automatically got switch off. So he need to perform, because when battery of a laptop got below a certain point, then your laptop will automatically got switch off. Then user might need to perform that particular task again, which is a very lengthy process for him, and the user experience also get down for the users. So today in this video we will going to talk about a particular API which will let you control how you want to identify your user on a particular battery level. So previously in every video I tried to write code in front of you, but today in this video I pre-written code beforehand, because there might so I can make this video as short as possible, so you can get much knowledge in a shorter period of a time. So without any further delay, let this code here which I have pre-written in the notepad. So one thing I need to mention here, for accessing this particular HTML page, you need to run this on the local host, because your page will not be able to access navigator API through which we will get the battery percentage here. So let me explain the code here. So as you are seeing, this is a simple HTML code, but here we have added the level. This tag we will use for battery level, which is unknown to us currently. Like we will update when there is a level change, and state of a battery where there is a charging state or in a discharging state. So let me explain this navigator code here, which you might not be familiar with. So navigator is a API in Chrome using which you can perform different kind of a task. If you watch my previous media devices video, in that particular video we will also access navigator.mediadevices.get user media API, which give us a stream to the user or video and audio devices, using which we can add that particular stream to video, as well as perform many different kind of a task. So get battery is also one of the API in the navigator API in Chrome. So today we are accessing this API, navigator.getBattery. So here we are get battery method is a promise based method. So when you call this method return a promise to you. That particular promise, it return all the value of the battery. So let me show you how it perform here. So we need to use await. So here you are seeing we got the information on the console. So this thing is containing whether our laptop is connected to charging point or not, charging time. It is not now telling us charging time, but it will also tell you charging time when there is not charger connected to it. And what is the discharging time? Now it is showing infinity. And what is the level of the battery? So as you are seeing, here is 23 and now is 24. But when I perform this await task, navigator.get battery task, here at that particular time the level of battery was 23, but now it is 24 because my laptop is connected to the charging point. So by multiplying this with 100, you will got the exact battery percentage of your laptop or any particular device. Or here are some method which you can override as well: on charging change, on charging time change, on discharging time change, on level change. So let us so so this is the get battery promise base method which return this kind of a value here. So let us go to code again. So here what we are saying, we are getting that particular battery object here, and we are attaching an method on level change. So when there is a so this method will call whenever there is a percentage change in, so this on level change method will automatically call when there is a change in percentage of your battery level. So what we are doing is, when there is a change in battery level, we are you getting the level div using the query selector here, and we are updating its battery level. Like we currently have 28, so let me multiply it by 100, so we can get exact battery level. And here we also added one condition: if battery is charging. So this particular object battery dot charging variable will return to if your laptop or media device is connected to any charging point. So we are also updating the what is the charging time to it. We are accessing the charging time and dividing it by 60. Else we are just showing what is the discharging time. So discharging time is the particular time which your laptop will take to drain your battery of the laptop. So without any further ado, let's run this particular code. So for running this code, we need XAMPP server, which this particular get battery API only we can access in the local host or any HTTPS website. So for those who doesn't know, XAMPP server is a collective framework in which there are incorporated many web apps, web softwares like PHP, Apache server, MySQL, and there are three. So till XAMPP server is opening, let me explain you what is a XAMPP server. So a XAMPP server is a collective tool for running different kind of application in your devices. So XAMPP server contain the MySQL, Apache server, FileZilla for like hosting a SMTP server, or there are Tomcat as Mercury as well. So we don't need these four currently. So we'll just particularly start the Apache server, which we will need to run the local host. So I started the server. So it is taking time. Okay. So as we are seeing, our local host started on the port 80 and 443. So let us run our local host. And the name of our file is battery.html. So let me access this battery.html file using the local host. So as you are seeing, this battery level unknown, charging state unknown got rendered on this particular document. So let us wait for to fire that on level change event. So currently our level is 45. So let us wait when it will got 46, then that particular level. So as you are seeing, that particular method got fired when the battery level got on 46%. So here we are seeing 46%, and for charging time it is showing as infinite. But when there will be shown a particular numeric value for charging time, it will show us the that particular numeric value. So currently we are getting the infinite, and for the battery percentage we are getting the that particular, and for the battery percentage we are getting 47, which is right one. So let me show you by hovering it. Now it is 48, so it is changed to 48. Let me disconnect my charging point for now and see what will happen then. So let us wait for change in the charging percentage. So for change in charging percentage we need to perform some tasks, so it will get changed. So for decreasing the battery percentage, we need to perform some tasks so the percentage could decrease in more faster way. So as seeing battery percentage got decreased to 47%. Previously it was 48%. So but now it is 47%. 47%. So let us wait for one more second. So you might be guessing why my charging percent is decreasing this fast, but because they are being clarified, it is due to my laptop got pretty old and my battery need to be changed. As you are seeing, battery percentage got changed to 46. Using this particular navigator.get battery method, you can perform a different kind of a task and notify user that this is particular battery level for your laptop now, so he or she can get a alert before his laptop get automatically shut down. So this is it for the video. Hope you like this beautiful video on how you can alert your user beforehand, like his battery percentage get more or get less, like his battery percentage got more or less to a particular threshold value. And if you found this video in any particular level to help to you, so please like our this video, subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon so you might get notified when we upload this kind of a particular interesting video on technical topics. So thank you friend, this is it for the video. Hope you and your family remain healthy throughout the year.